The Glassworks Newcastle Upon Tyne is the perfect location for you if you like to imagine yourself in a sitcom. The property offers ensuite and studio apartments, where each room comes with a comfortable bed, a bedside table, a chair, and a desk. As it is essential to maintain your work-life balance and to ensure that the property offers a pool table, 24-hour staff, post and parcel, games room, cinema room, barbecue area, and communal TV, where you can Netflix and chill whenever you want to. Also, no need to wake up early to reach your classes on time as elite universities like Newcastle University and Newcastle University, just a walk away. So don't miss out on your beauty sleep and glow different. The property is also surrounded with amazing cafes and bars like Blackfriars Restaurant and House of Tides. You can have a drink of happiness anytime you want, or you can comfort yourself with your comfort food on a rainy day. And if you are worried about travel expenses, then don't worry, because the nearest bus stop, New Bridge Street's Dominic's, at walking distance from the property, including Haymarket, is just a drive away from the property. It's your story, you can write it the way you always want it at the Glassworks Newcastle Upon Tyne. Now hurry up and book your room now at amberstudent.com.